wind speed and air pressure. Objective: to learn how high wind speed causes reduced air pressure. When air moves with high speed, its pressure reduces. Here's an experiment to prove it. Hold this strip of paper at one end and blow air above its upper surface. The paper rises. This happens because when air is blown over the paper, the air pressure above the paper reduces, though the air pressure below the paper remains the same. As the pressure below the paper is now greater than that above it, the pressure that is greater pushes the paper up, causing it to rise. Now, blow harder over the paper. You see that the paper strip rises even more, as the air pressure above the paper gets lowered even further, making it easier for the greater air pressure below to push the paper further up. Thus, we have seen that when air moves with an increased speed, its pressure drops. This was first observed by the Swiss mathematician Daniel Bernoulli. This can be shown by another simple experiment. Here are two inflated balloons, hung in such a way that they are approximately 3 centimeters apart from each other and at the same height. Now, using a straw, try to force the balloons apart by blowing air between them. You notice that the harder you blow, the closer the balloons move to each other. This happens because when air is blown between the two balloons, the air pressure between them reduces. The higher pressure on the outside of the two balloons forces them to come together. We again see that increased wind speed results in reduced air pressure. This is exactly why wind blowing at a high speed over the roof of a house blows the roof off, because the fast-moving wind decreases the pressure over the roof, while the pressure inside the house is greater. To summarize, an increased wind speed results in reduced air pressure in that region. The faster the air moves, the more is the drop in the air pressure in that region.